Welcome to Everyday English Tips. Today's story is called How a Quiet Girl Became a Great English Speaker. It's a story of courage, patience, and never giving up. If you feel shy or scared to speak English, this story is for you. Let's begin. Her name was Emma. She was a quiet girl from a small village. In her school, very few students spoke English. Emma was afraid to speak in front of people. She thought her English was not good. She was scared someone would laugh. So she stayed silent in class. But deep inside, she wanted to change. One day, Emma watched a video on YouTube. The girl in the video said, "Practice every day and one day you will speak well." Emma smiled. She thought, maybe I can try. She started speaking to herself in front of a mirror. "Hello, my name is Emma. I want to learn English." Every day, for just 5 minutes, she practiced. Sometimes she forgot words. Sometimes she made mistakes. But she didn't stop. She believed in small steps. Emma also started writing simple sentences in a notebook. She wrote about her day. "I woke up at 7. I went to school. I ate lunch with my friends." She watched English cartoons and repeated the sentences. She learned how to say things like, "How are you?" and "I am happy." She joined a free English speaking group online. The first time she spoke, her voice was shaking. But the group was kind. They said, "Good job, Emma. Keep going." That gave her hope. At school, her teacher asked, "Who wants to read this English paragraph?" Emma wanted to say yes. Her heart was beating fast. She raised her hand slowly. The class was surprised. She stood up and started reading. Her voice was soft. She made a few mistakes, but she finished it. Everyone clapped. Emma smiled for the first time in English class. She felt proud. That day changed everything. Emma began helping her classmates with English homework. She shared easy words and simple grammar tips. She started an Instagram page to post daily English words. People from other countries started following her. They said, "Thank you, Emma. Your posts help us learn." Emma couldn't believe it. She was just a quiet girl before. Now, she was helping others speak better English. She was becoming a guide for many. 1 year later, Emma was chosen to give a speech in a school event. The topic was never give up. She wrote the speech herself. She practiced every day. She stood in front of 200 people and spoke clearly. Her teachers had tears in their eyes. Her parents clapped with joy. Her classmates said, "You did it, Emma." She said, "Yes, I just didn't stop trying." Her dream was now real. Emma's journey teaches us something important. You don't need to be perfect to speak English. You only need to try. Speak a little every day. Write your thoughts. Watch, listen, and repeat. Be patient and kind to yourself. One day, you will also speak English with confidence. Just like Emma. This was Everyday English Tips. If you liked this story, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep learning, and remember, you can do it too.